Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO Cronos. It is also one of the cryptos which I expected another lower low. Now we're not there yet, but we see a lot of weakness in the chart. So for CRO as well, wave 1 to the upside back in November 21 and a wave 2 following that, coming exactly into the target area here between the 10.9 cent level and the 20.7 cent level. This is where you would expect a turnaround in a wave 2. What we need to understand is that a cryptocurrency in the first wave 2, which is doing, and this for CRO would be the first wave 2, they sometimes drop below that 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level. That would be here at 10.9 cents. So we need to mentally prepare ourselves for that. But the 88.7% Fib level is generally not a good place to go below. It is the death zone for many cryptos. So we hope that Cronos will not get there. At the moment, there is no immediate risk that it will get there. There is still a lot of space before it will reach that 88.7% Fib level. In fact, there is still a 32% downside potential before it will test that level at 10.9 cents. And even if it drops shortly or briefly below it, it wouldn't be a massive problem. We need to understand here for CRO, at least here on the FTX chart, maybe there is a longer chart, a chart with a longer history, but last support would be here at 7.4 cents. From here, we would then expect the market to turn around, ideally from the 10.9 cent level. But looking at the wave 2 in itself, we looked at this as an ABC pattern and we looked at the last C wave here and saw that we were moving here in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. That wave 4, in which we currently possibly still are, or we finished it already and already are in the last wave down. This was so weak. It was one of the weakest wave 4s that of all the cryptos that I follow. Because normally what you would expect in such a wave 4 would be at least to reach the 23.6% Fib level. And that, to be honest, is actually what I have to primarily expect, because this is actually the minimum requirement for a wave 4 is to reach the 23.6% Fib level. Now, Cronos isn't it is not even able to reach the minimum retracement. I mean, that is really, really weak. The ideal retracement here would be the 38.2% Fib level at 29.2 cents, but we are miles away from that. And to be honest, it actually points currently towards further downside anyway. So indicated here from the last video, still that arrow down, that would lead us really here, not below zero, certainly not, but that would point further to the downside. And as I said, a key level would be this 88.7% Fib level. Yeah, and this is currently what we're looking at. I can go to the 1 hour chart. Maybe the wave 4 is already finished. Maybe it finished already here. It could also here count as a triangle. We can certainly have an Elliott wave triangle count that we could fit in here with an A, B, C, D. Then we would maybe expect a little bit of a move up and then move down. But yeah, we've got here, we are sort of in that move down. Now we have a consolidation pattern that unfolds as a descending triangle. The Elliott wave count here as well would suggest a wave A, B, C, D, E to the upside, yeah, and then a move down. So that is what we would expect. Where the wave E is, this would then also be the completion of this wave 4, but it would be an extremely weak wave 4, which did not even reach the minimum retracement level. So honestly, really, really weak. And all of that would, for me, confirm here further moves. Let me just do that. Further moves to the downside, yeah. So again, here in that target area between the 88.7% Fib level and the 78.6% Fib level, there is still space for further price drops before we need to get a bit concerned about Cronos. And really just a quick video, because otherwise it will get too long and I don't get all the altcoins done. But key is also here that after, or as soon as the correction is finished, we are expecting Cronos to go back into a wave 3. That should then go up all the way, to new all-time highs and to at least to the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level at $1.68. that is the minimum that we would expect for a wave 3, which would be very likely as soon as we make new all-time highs. And that is my view about CRO Cronos. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.